May we call our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, para Senior Superintendent Alan A. Caput, to award the Medalya ng Kasanayan to FO3 Sheila Mariti Bago from Pangantukan Fire Station, to be assisted by our Assistant Regional Director for Operation, para Senior Superintendent Romel E. Villapuerte, sir. Regional Order Number R10 RAWD 2025-004. Medalya ng Kasanayan, BFP Efficiency Medal, in accordance with BFP Praise MC number 2024-009, Section 9.4, as approved by CSC. This Medalya ng Kasanayan is awarded to FO3 Sheila Marie T. Bago in recognition of her remarkable achievement in passing the 2024 bar examination administered by the Supreme Court of the Philippines through the Supreme Court Bar Examination Committee on September 8, 11, and 15, 2024. This outstanding accomplishment highlights her dedication, excellence, and continuous pursuit of knowledge, serving as an inspiration to personnel in the Bureau of Fire Protection, not only in the Region 10 but across the nation. Given this 20th day of January 2025 at the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10, Dumamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Let us now sing with honor and pride the BFP hymn. May we call FO3 Attorney Sheila Marie T. Bago for
to our ARD for Administration, Senior Superintendent Alan A. Caput, sir. To our ARD for Operations, Senior Superintendent Romel E. Villapuerte, sir. To all the commissioned officers, sir. To all the non-commissioned officers, non-uniformed personnel. Ma'am, sir, good morning. I am very happy and honored nga nakabalik ko diri sa regional office. I was assigned here for almost 10 years. Really ba, sir? Okay na ko sa bukid nun, sir. I was assigned here for mga 10 years, almost 10 years, right after my basic training. So, I am happy to share and that you are rejoicing with me sa akong pagpasar sa bar exam. Honestly, wala man ko naandam, pero kuan daw, automatic. So the whole bar examination journey is a reflection that with God, nothing is impossible. Even things which are seen far out, katong imposible ni gid kayo. Although I dreamt since I was a child nga gusto gid ko ma-lawyer, it's because my mother worked sa legal department sa National Power Corporation, and most of kanang iyahang mga office mates are lawyers. So nangandoy sad ko, pero when I kanang studied law, finishing law school is one thing, passing the bar exam is another thing, but their common denominator is it is never easy, and dili pud gyud sad sayon nga magskwela while working. Again, I give back all the glory and honor sa Ginoo sa pag-provide niya sa ako. He provided me with BFP regional office, most especially. Diri ang ako ang saan siya, sir, kanang diri akong tahanan. Diri ko nagpuyo. Wala ko nag-rent o boarding house or apartment outside sa office because I am not from Cagayan de Oro. So diri ko nagpuyo. So taong bahay ko. So dako akong pasalamat gyud sa regional office. And I am even thankful nga I had the opportunity nga maka-boss, ang ako ang amo are the mga regional directors who are very considerate, from Sir Lauzon to Sir Tambalo to Sir Baruelo to Sir Dueñas. And everyone else sa regional office nga gi-consider nako nga gi-consider pud ko nila nga family. So I am very thankful nga considerate sila sa ako ang pagskwela. Thankful ko nga I found a home and a family diri sa regional office. In connection sa giingon ni Ma'am Teves mo gudong nailan ni Ma'am Teves gaina. Yes, when I learned na I passed the bar exam, I know change is inevitable. There would, kung sa una kuan buguyon diri sa region, daghan mga kabuang diri sa region, so running ko nga magseryoso na siguro ko gamay. Kay kasi kuan medyo magseryoso na ko gamay. So yes, I believe na we should adapt to change, and it should be for the betterment. I always remember every time mag-duty ko diri, muna usahay nga kanang murag nabitaw ko yung kay, I always remember ang pledge of loyalty. It says, if you work for a man, in heaven's name work for him, speak well of him, and stand by the institution he represents. So tagsa-tagsa sa atua, we have our duties and responsibilities. Bisan pa kanang usahay murag labag sa ato ang kuan, nabitaw usahay mga inana, labag sa atong logo, bugat sa ato ang ginhawa, then yes lang nang yes man na siya. We should do it. So I hope ang ako ang pagpasar sa bar exam, this legal profession will makatabang sa or mahimo ko nga beacon of change for the Bureau of Fire Protection and for para sa kahimayaan sa ngalan sa Ginoo. Katulang, daghang salamat, mayong buntag sa tanan.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of wisdom.